The Nasdaq, or National Association of Security Dealers Automated Quotations, is a stock exchange where technology-based companies and other growth-oriented businesses list their shares for public trading. It is known for having the largest number of publicly traded technology companies such as Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Younger generations are making money from trading stocks by using a variety of methods. One popular method is through online trading platforms, which allow individuals to buy and sell stocks easily and quickly from their own computers or mobile devices. Some platforms also offer educational resources and tools to help new traders learn about the stock market and make informed decisions. Another way is by investing in the companies that they believe in, by following principles of famous investors such as Warren Buffett, who is known for investing in companies with strong fundamentals and a history of consistent growth. This strategy is called value investing, which focuses on buying undervalued companies and holding them for the long term in order to reap the benefits of their growth. In addition, many younger generations are also using apps such as Robinhood, which offers zero commission trading, making it easy and affordable for anyone to start investing in the stock market. It is important to note that investing in the stock market carries risk, and it's important to do your own research and invest in only what you can afford to lose.